In this video, we'll show you the initial hardware setup out of the box for your Canon imageCLASS printer and connect it to your Wi-Fi with a Mac. Let's get started. Carefully remove the printer and the other contents from the box. After placing the printer in your desired location, carefully remove all orange tape and packing material. Leave the sticker that covers the USB port in place. Only remove the sticker when you need to access the USB port. Next, we will load the paper. Pull the paper tray out and lift it slightly to remove it from the printer. Slide open the paper guides by pressing the blue tabs. Load the paper in the tray and align the paper guides securely against the edges of the paper. Please note, paper guides that are too loose or too tight can cause misfeeds or paper jams. Also, make sure the paper stack does not exceed the limit guide. Loading too much paper can cause paper jams. Slide the paper tray back in the printer when finished. Now we'll connect your printer to your Wi-Fi. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. Next, make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. The main screen will be lit when the printer is on. If this is your first time powering on the printer, you will see the system language selection screen. Select English. And then select Yes to proceed. Next, select your country or region. And then select your time zone. Next, make sure the current date and time is properly set up. Select Apply to proceed. For now, we will skip the color print calibration. This process can be done at a later time. Select No to proceed. Next, select Wi-Fi connection. Review the information on this screen, and then select Next to proceed. Select Connect to Network manually. Next, select your Wi-Fi name from the list. You'll need to enter your encryption key, or network password. To do so, first select the entry mode that reflects the character you need. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, or numbers and symbols. Use the touch screen panel to enter your password, toggling between entry modes as needed. Once your password is entered, select Apply. Select Next to proceed. Review the information on this screen, then select End. The printer will now configure the settings. This may take a few minutes. Select OK to verify the paper settings. On the home screen, you will see the wireless LAN icon. The printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi. Now, let's install the software. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting usa.canon.com/support. Search for your printer by entering the model number in the search box. Then select it from the list. Select Software and Drivers. Make sure the correct operating system and version are selected. Then download both the latest UFR2 printer and scanner drivers. We're going to install the printer driver first. Select the download arrow at the top right of your browser. Then open the UFR2 printer driver package file. Select Continue to begin the installation process. The license agreement will be displayed. Read the agreement, and if you agree to the terms, select Continue. Choose Agree to proceed with the installation. Select Install. When prompted, enter the administrator name and password you used to set up your Mac. Then select Install Software. The software will now install. This may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, this message will appear. Select Close. When this message appears, select Move to Trash. Now, we'll add the printer. In your Mac's system settings, select Printers and Scanners. Select Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. Make sure your printer is selected on the list. In the Use drop-down box, make sure your printer is also selected. Then choose Add. Your printer is now added to your Mac. Now, we'll install the scanner driver. Go back to your internet browser and select the download arrow at the top right. Open the Mac scanner driver. And then open the Canon Scan Gear package file. Select Continue to start the installation process. The license agreement will be displayed. Read the agreement, and if you agree to the terms, select Continue. Choose Agree to proceed with the installation. Select Install. When prompted, enter the administrator name and password you used to set up your Mac, and then select Install Software. The software will now install. This may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, this message will appear. Select Close. When this message appears, select Move to Trash. Now, we'll add the scanner. Open a Finder window. In the Applications section, select the Canon MF Utilities folder. Open Canon MF Scan Utility. If this is your first time opening Canon MF Scan Utility, you will see this window. Select OK to proceed to the next step. If you have another scanner installed, select Canon MF Scan Utility in the menu bar. And then choose Network Scanner Settings. The Canon MF Scan Utility Network Scanner window will appear. Select the plus sign at the bottom of the dialog box. Select your scanner from the Bonjour name list. And then choose Add. Open Canon MF Scan utility again and make sure the correct scanner is displayed in the scanner drop-down box on the upper right of the window. Congratulations! This completes the initial hardware setup and Wi-Fi connection of your Canon imageCLASS printer with a Mac. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.